Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your language in your Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change language on Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app itself. So once you open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the me icon. There you can find the settings option, so simply tap on it again, and once you tap on it you will end up having the language option, so simply tap on it, and now you can choose the languages from there, and you can see that the language you have chosen will appear in your Shein page. So whatever language you choose as your primary language will now be shown in your Shein app while you are surfing it. So this is how you change language on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.